Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have some new picks to show off. So I received these from KixPicks, and he sent me a handful of different profiles. So this handle style is his sort of flagship called the Phoenix, and this is like a Christina Palmer inspired spoon profile. Now I also have now he printed the scales for me and provided me the brass for this, and I did the piecing together and epoxying for this. The rest of these I printed some handles and some 3D printed plastic pins. Now these actually have handles that are compatible with them that are already designed you can purchase online. I'll put the link to that down below. I can't remember what they're called, but they are, I think, in like European based. So this pick profile is called the Kicks profile. It is a more like low and sweeping sort of monkey's paw-esque pick with a larger, deeper little divot there. And I thought I would give that a try with this ERA American 1100 clone that I got from Peter Lewis, Irish Lockpicker. Peter, thanks again. That was pin 2. Pin 1. That was 6. And there we went into a false set. Definitely feel it catching on the pins as you're pulling through. But I am confident I overset when I had that counter rotation. This definitely picks way different than a normal American 1100. False set. Let's find our counter. Right at the back. I believe we set 6. 5's countering. And we got it open. Very cool. Yeah, so I really like that. Now I'm gonna give more of these a try in some of my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for those. And again, check out KixPicks. I'm gonna put a link to his channel right here, and I'm gonna have links in the description below. So again, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day.